Yo, what up, gang? It's your boy coming through with another video. And this time around, we're working on a Spanish type beat. You know what I'm saying? Spanish. So I did some research on this. Is it really called Spanish music? I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know. Did a bit of research and I found that it's called flamenco. And I explored this genre a little bit, but really ultimately I just went through the composing process without even listening to a sufficient amount of it, because I don't know, I'm just a musical genius, I guess. But an important factor of this genre is that it actually has an acoustic guitar, which is the obvious, of course. And this is part of the reason why I just wanted to mess around with it. Anyway, let's get right into it. Okay, let's try that. So right now I'm just trying to get a melody over these chords, see if it works. Over here, I'm actually making this into a triad chord because I was literally just playing two notes in different octaves. Sounds a bit more complete right now. Yeah, we're not using that solo anymore. So over here, I'm just pretty much taking the same chord on the piano and just creating an arpeggio out of it by breaking up the notes. So over here, I'm just trying to fix some notes. There's a lot of wrong notes that I hit, but of course, I was just improvising and trying to come up with something. And that's one thing with me, I just experiment, especially when I'm doing like some improvisations and stuff, or solos. I just press anything and then fix it later because I'm not a live musician, guys. Hey, don't get me wrong. I might be good at this producing stuff, but a live musician is probably much better at doing solos than me. But yeah, the key thing is to know your music theory pretty much. And you can fix things just like what I'm doing right now. Thank God for technology. Thank God. And that is it for me, gang. I'm feeling this. Let me know if you're feeling it in the comments. This beat will be available for stream on all platforms from today or tomorrow onwards. If you guys want any beats, film scores, just drop me an email and we'll take it from there. For now, I'm out. Peace.